हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो आज हम देख रहे हैं कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम के कुछ एमसीक्यूज जो कि कंपटीशन एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। तो हम देखते हैं। फर्स्ट, अंडर फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस द रेट लिमिटिंग एंजाइम इन द जनरेशन ऑफ एंजियोटेंसिन सेकेंड इज द राइट आंसर ए रेनिन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, angiotensin second causes rise in blood pressure by the right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, angiotensin third is equivalent to angiotensin second in the right answer is A, releasing aldosterone from adrenal cortex. Next question, the following is a pressure peptide that can be generated both in circulation as well as locally in certain tissues. The right answer is B, angiotensin. Next question, the following factors enhance renin release from the kidney except the right answer is D, volume overload. Next question, angiotensin second plays a key role in the following risk factor for ischemic heart disease. The right answer is B, ventricular hypertrophy. Next question, ventricular remodeling after myocardial infarction involves the mediation of. The right answer is A, angiotensin second. Next question, captopril pre-treatment. The right answer is D, both A and C are correct. The next question, captopril produces greater fall in blood pressure in. The right answer is A, diuretic treated patients. Next question, potentiation of bradykinin appears to play a role in the following effects of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors except. The right answer is B, fall in BP in the long term. Next question, enalapril differs from captopril in that. The right answer is C, it is less liable to cause abrupt first dose hypotension. Next question, enalapril differs from captopril in the following features except. The right answer is C, it acts more rapidly. The next question, the following angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor can reduce cardiac contractility. The right answer is D, lisinopril. The next question, advantage of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors as antihypertensive include the following except. The right answer is B, their efficacy is not reduced by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. The next question, the following drug increases cardiac output in congestive heart failure without having any direct myocardial action. The right answer is A, captopril. The next question, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors reduce the following hemodynamic parameters in congestive heart failure except. The right answer is C, cardiac output. The next question, Angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors afford maximum protection against progression of heart failure when used. The right answer is A. At the higher therapeutic dose range over long term. The next question. In post myocardial infarction and other high cardiovascular risk subjects but without hypertension or heart failure, prolonged ACE inhibitors medication has been found to. The right answer is D. Both B and C. The next question. Which of the following statements most closely describes the current status of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors in congestive heart failure? The right answer is A. They are the first choice drugs unless contraindicated. The next question. Long-term ACE inhibitor therapy may retard the progression of. The right answer is D. All of the above. The next question. The following drug has been demonstrated to retard progression of left ventricular dysfunction and prolong survival of congestive heart failure patients. The right answer is C. Enalapril. The next question. Losartan is a. The right answer is A. Selective AT1 receptor antagonist. The next question. Clinically, the angiotensin antagonists share the following features of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors except. The right answer is D. Potential to induce cough in susceptible individuals. The next question. Choose the drug that selectively blocks AT1 subtype of angiotensin receptors. The right answer is C. Candesartan. The next question. An elderly hypertensive was treated with hydrochlorothiazide 50 mg daily. Even after a month, his BP was not reduced to desired level and another antihypertensive was added. After 2 hours of taking the other drug, his BP fell precipitously. The most likely other drug given to him is. The right answer is B. Captopril. The next question. Indications of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors include the following except. The right answer is D. Stable angina pectoris. The next question. Losartan differs from enalapril in the following respect. The right answer is A. It does not potentiate bradykinin. The next question. Bradykinin and angiotensin second have the following feature common to both. The right answer is C. Their precursor proteins are plasma alpha 2 globulins. The next question. Select the non-apoptide which can be generated from plasma globulin by SNAC binome enzymes, causes fallen BP and intense pain when applied to blister base. The right answer is B. Bradykinin. The next question. Actions of bradykinin include the following except. The right answer is B. Cardiac depression. The next question. The following kinin actions is mediated primarily by the kinin B1 receptor. The right answer is D. Production of interleukin, TNF alpha and other inflammatory mediators. The next question. Digitalis increases the force of contraction of ventricles by. The right answer is C. Increasing the rate of contraction but reducing the duration of systole. The next question. In a failing heart, therapeutic dose of digoxin has no effect on the following parameter. The right answer is C. ton of ventricular fibers. The next question. DTLS slows the heart in congestive heart failure by. The right answer is D. All of the above. The next question. The electrophysiological effects of digitalis on Purkinje fibers include the following except. The right answer is A. Enhancement of resting membrane potential. Next question. Digitalis induced increase in refractory period of myocardial fibers is most consistent and pronounced in the. The right answer is C. AV node. Next question. What is consequences of myocardial sodium and potassium ion ATPase inhibition by digoxin? The right answer is D. Both A and B are correct. Next question. The positive inotropic action of digoxin takes several hours to develop because. The right answer is D. Next question. Among all cardiac glycosides, digoxin is the most commonly used because. The right answer is D. It has intermediate plasma half-life so that dose adjustments are possible every 2-3 days and toxicity abates rather rapidly after discontinuation. Next question. The most important channel of elimination of digoxin is. The right answer is A. Glomerular filtration. The next question. Infusion of potassium chloride is indicated in digitalis toxicity when the manifestations is. The right answer is B. Pulses voluminous with heart rate 110 per minute in a patient on maintenance digoxin therapy. The next question. Potassium therapy tends to counteract the cardiac toxicity of digitalis by. The right answer is D. Both A and B are correct. The right answer D. Next question. Select the most suitable anti-arrhythmic drug for counteracting ventricular extrasystoles due to digoxin toxicity. The right answer is A. Lignocaine. The following drug given concurrently can enhance toxicity of digoxin. The right answer is C. Quinidine. The next question. Digoxin is contraindicated in. The right answer is B. Ventricular tachycardia. The next question. Digitalis is most suitable for treatment of CHF when it is due to. The right answer is D. Long-standing uncontrolled hypertension. The next question. The dose of digoxin in congestive heart failure is adjusted by monitoring. The right answer is B. Heart rate and symptoms of CHF. The next question. Digoxin affords the following benefit in CHF. The right answer is A. Restores cardiac compensation and relieves symptoms. The next question. Long-term maintenance therapy with digoxin is the best option in the following category of CHF patients. The right answer is C. Patients with associated atrial fibrillation. The next question. A patient of CHF was treated with furosemide and digoxin. He became symptom-free and stable for the last 3 months resting heart rate 68 per minute in sinus rhythm, but left ventricular ejection fraction is low. Which of the following lines of action is warranted? The right answer is A. Stop above medication and start an AC inhibitor. थैंक यू। और यदि आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कृपया लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और वैल्यूएबल कमेंट दें।